subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has finally launched two new flagship smartphones under P series in China called Huawei P50 and P50 Pro with a unique camera module. Both of these devices looks quite identical but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Huawei P50 Pro is the higher variant. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei P50 Pro features a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus Curve OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 300Hz touch sampling rate. As per the processor, there are two models. One is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 4G chipset, while the other variant is powered by Kirin 9000 4G chipset. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of RAM and 128, 256 or 512GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via nano memory card slot. In terms of camera, the Huawei P50 Pro supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a large capsule module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 64MP telephoto lens with 3.5x optical and 100x hybrid zoom support plus 40MP black and white sensor with f1.6 aperture and a 13MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view. The rear cameras of the phone can capture 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stability. At the front, it has 13MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4360 mAh battery that supports 66 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging. On the software front, the handset runs on company's Harmony OS 2 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, infrared port, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 158.8 by 72.8 by 8.5mm and it weighs around 195 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei P50 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 5,988 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 6,488 Chinese yuan. There is 8GB plus 512GB storage option priced at 7,488 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage model is priced at 7,988 Chinese yuan. And the same model with Snapdragon 888 chipset has been priced at 8,488 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in tea gold, snowy white, pink, black gold, and rippling cloud color options. So what do you guys think of this Huawei P50 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.